This is a step-by-step assembly video for ME1510 linear scanning platform. Let's start by introducing the assembly parts, and then followed by the assembly procedures. These are the overall ME1510 parts inside the training kit. This is Module 1. This is Module 2. This is Module 3A. This is Module 3B. These are the male and female railroads. This is Part 1. This is Part 2. This is Part 3. This is timing belt. First of all, tighten the two sets of male rail rods with the two sets female rail rods. From Module 1, open up the cover by unscrew the 4M3 screws. Then, unscrew the two M6 cap screws, and lift the Module 1 block up. Connect the male side of the connected rail rods into the circular slots provided in Module 1. Then, hook the timing belt to the Module 1 gear. Put back the block back to Module 1, and screw back the two M6 cap screws. Do not tighten the two M6 cap screws for now, for alignment purpose. Similar to Module 1, open up the cover by unscrew 3 M4 screws, and unscrew the 2 M6 cap screws, to lift up the block from Module 2. Then, hook the other end of the timing belt to the Module 2 gear. Connect the other ends of the 2 sets of connected male and female rail rods into the circular slot provided in Module 2. Put the block back to Module 2, and screw back the M6 cap screws. Similar to Module 1, do not tighten the 2 M6 cap screws for alignment purpose. Install the part 3 to the middle of the connected male and female rail rods, where the connection joints are. This part 3 acts as a rail rod stabilizer. First, unscrews the 2 M4 screws from part 5, and align the connected rod, so that the hole on the male rail rod is roughly horizontal. Then, fit part 3 to the rod, by squeezing both rods towards each other. After that, screw the 2 M4 screws back, and tighten it. Notice that the contour of part 3 is perfectly fit to the circular shape of the rod. Now, install the cover to Module 1. Slide in the cover, and screw back the 4 M3 screws to Module 1, and tighten them. Place the cover on the Module 2, and screw back the 3 M4 screws, and tighten them. By now, the assembled ME1510 linear scanning platform should look like this. Next, tighten the M6 screws on Module 1 and 2. Place Module 3A on the connected rail rods that are already assembled to Module 1 and 2. Make sure the sensor plate face towards Module 2. Make sure the pulley must sit correctly on the rail rods. Unscrew the 2 M6 screws from the top, and 1 M5 screw from the bottom. Put the platform aside. Align the timing belt locker to the screw, and tighten up with M6 screw. Please note that only one of the timing belt locker has the screw hole. Align the timing belt locker to this button M5 screw, and tighten it. Then, install module platform again, with both the M6 screws, and tighten it. Adjust the tension of the timing belt, if necessary. You can tighten the double-ended screw clockwise, to adjust the tension of the belt. Clockwise to tighten it. Counterclockwise to loosen it. Assemble Part 1 and Part 2, into Module 3A. Align Part 1 and Part 2 to the hole, at the bottom of Module 3A, that is situated near the double-ended screw. Now, the ME1510 linear scanning platform will look like this. Assembled the Module 3B on the Module 3A platform by opening the clamp of the Module 3B to maximum by rotating the knob 1 in order to fit into the platform. After that, tighten knob 1 to a suitable level of tightness. Finally, assemble the antenna to the ME1510. Open knob 2 to maximum, and slide into the Module 3B, as shown. Tighten knob 2 to a suitable level of tightness. Now, the assembly of ME1510 imaging radar linear scanning platform is complete, and the final product should look like this.